welcome guys to this class, and in this short tutorial I will be showing you how you can download 1688 app. 1688 app is an app that enables you to buy products from China. It enables you to buy products from China, from wholesalers, from factory owners. And for you to be able to buy products from China, you must have this 1688 app, most especially if you are using an Android phone. But how can you go about this? Okay, let me quickly show you how you can download the 1688 app and you can start buying. So in this tutorial I will just show you how you can download it and install it, because this tutorial, this 1688 app is not in Play Store. If you go to Play Store, anyone you see there is fake. It's not in Google Play Store. Anyone you see there is fake, so you have to be very careful. The only place you can download the app from is from Google Chrome, from the 1688 website itself. So you come down to Chrome, click on Chrome browser, and I'm opening a new tab. Here is it. So you come here to search and you click on 1688.com. So you load the website, let the website open, and once the website is open, inside the website we will be able to download our 1688 app. All right, it's still loading. Let's be patient for it to load. Okay, yeah, this is the site here, and we are about downloading our 1688 app. And you can see that as I was about scrolling, something happened. This thing pops up. Now this is where you will download the 1688 app. Look at this part. We have two buttons here. You have the one that is orange, that 1688 is written on, and we have the other one that is just white and Chinese something is on it. So this orange part by your right hand side here, that 1688 is written on, is what you click on. So you click on it, and immediately you click on it, as you can see, let's be a bit patient. Okay, all right, okay. So you can see it has started downloading, and you just wait for it to download. Let it finish downloading, and once it's finished downloading, it will install on your Android phone. Then you can start placing order from it. So we are waiting for it to finish downloading. Let's wait. Downloading. It's about 211.14 megabytes here on my Android phone. So let's wait. All right, it has finished downloading, and let's click on it. Since it has finished downloading, can you see staging app install? So you click on install, and this is how to install your 1688 app. This app is not yet on Google Play Store. Those ones that you see on Google Play Store are fake. They are not original, and they might be scammers. They might be apps that are developed by scammers. So this is how to install your 1688 app. In my next tutorial, I will be showing you how you can place order from 1688 app, how you can start e-commerce dropshipping business. Just subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and drop a comment in the comment section if you're having challenges. So right now it is installing, so you just wait for it to finish installing, and that is it. Thank you, and see you in next lesson. Bye.